Hello, welcome all. Myself, Pawan Kalyan from the Department of CSE from Alsankara Institute of Technology. Today, my Tech Talk is on cybersecurity. In this Tech Talk video, I am going to talk about cybersecurity. Subtopics are introduction, types of cybercrime, cyber threat evaluation, advantages of cybersecurity, and safety tips to cybercrime. Introduction. Nowadays, internet in India is growing rapidly. Internet is double-edged knife, as same as the internet has two sides, means internet have disadvantages also. Illegal activity committed using internet is known as cybercrime. Some people commit crime using a computer and internet to steal a person's identity or illegal imports or malicious programs. The main theme of cybersecurity is establish rules and measures to use against attacks over the internet. Cybersecurity is important for the network, data and application security. Types of cybercrime. There are several types of cybercrimes exist on the internet. There are hacking, phishing, denial of services, spam, email, spyware, adware, malware, ATM skimming, and point of scale crimes, and also ransomware. The main concept of cybersecurity is prevent hacking. Hacking in simple terms means as illegal instruction into a computer system and a network. It is also known as bash cracking. Government websites are hot targets of the hackers due to the press coverage it receives. Most of the hackers want publicity. Phishing is another trick used by hackers. Phishing is a fraudulent attempt usually made through email to steal your personal information. Phishing is attempt to obtain sensitive information such as username, password, and credit card details, often through malicious reasons through an electronic communication such as email. Spam email is the electronic version of junk mail. It involves sending unwanted messages, often unsolicited advertising, to large number of recipients. Spam is a serious security concern as it can be used to deliver Trojan horses versus viruses, worms, spyware, and targeted phishing attacks. Malware. It malicious software such as virus, worm, and Trojan, which specifically designed to disrupt or damage computer system or mobile device. Viruses are programs that attach themselves to a computer or a file and to other computers on a network. They usually affect the data on a computer and mobile device, either by altering or deleting it. Worms, unlike viruses, do not need the host to attach themselves. They merely make functional copies of themselves and do this repeatedly till they eat up all the available space on computer's memory. Trojan is type of malware that pretends to be something useful, helpful, or fun while actually consuming harm or stealing the data. Spyware is type of malware that hackers use to spy on you in order to gain access to your personal information, banking details, or online activity. We should protect ourselves by an anti-software tool. Adware is a type of malware that bombard you with endless ads and pop-up windows that could potentially to be dangerous for your device. The best way to remove is use an adware removal tool. Ransomware is as scary as it sounds. Hackers use this technique to lock out your devices and demand a ransom in return for access. Ransomware puts you in a sticky situation, so it's best to know how to avoid it. Current affairs example: WannaCrypt beta variant. Advantage of cybersecurity. It will defend us from hacks and virus. It helps us to browse the safe website. Internet security process all the incoming and outgoing data on our computer. The cybersecurity will defend us from critical attacks. The application of cybersecurity used in our PC needs update every week. The security developers will update their database every week once. Hence, the new virus also detected. Thank you.